Hi friends, today we're going to be solving some more physics. Today's question is also going to be on waves. So we have a wave that has angular frequency 29 radians per second and wavelength 1.5 meters, and we have to find what is its wave number and its wave speed. So whenever you are solving physics problems, it's really helpful to have a known and unknown box. So I have an unknown box right here, and it's telling me that my angular frequency is 29 radians per second, which I got from my question, and my wavelength, which is also given in the question, and I have to find my wave number and my speed. So anytime we're solving physics problems, we have a bunch of formulas that we necessarily don't know how to derive, because most of the time they're derived from some really cool experiments. And for this question, we also have a bunch of formulas which are given here, which I've already written down in my formula box. We have the formula for our wave number, which is 2 pi radians divided by my wavelength, and my angular frequency formula, which is 2 pi divided by the period in time. Since this question is asking for the wave number and wave speed, I also know the formula for the wave speed, which is v equals lambda f. F is the frequency, which we can find by dividing it by the period in time, dividing 1 by the period in time. Although this is a more accepted speed formula, we can also calculate the speed by, if we know the angular frequency and the wave number, we can divide the angular frequency by the wave number. The way I know that my speed is equal to angular frequency over wave number is that I know that my speed formula is wavelength time frequency, and I can find the wavelength by rearranging the wave number equation, so I get 2 pi over k, and similarly I can find the frequency by rearranging the angular frequency equation, which I get from where I get that frequency equals to angular divided by 2 pi, and if I multiply both of them together, my wavelength and frequency formula, then I get angular over k. It's just a simple calculation that makes our life much easier. And now I'm going to find what is my wave number. So I already know the formula, and it's just a matter of plugging in the values. So 2 pi divided my wavelength, which was 1.5, and I get 4.19 radians per meters. And similarly, I can calculate the radian wave speed by using my values for angular frequency divided by the wave number. Just plug in the values and I get my speed, which is 6.92 meters per second. I hope this video was helpful, and please subscribe. Thanks. Bye.